Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package with the sports exterior and interior look, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, front and rear LED daytime running lights, macchiato beige MB-Tex interior, panorama roof, ambient lighting, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one comes with the Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burl walnut trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera sensors, gloss black center console, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, NFC wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 44,452 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.